Namaste everyone, welcome back to our 16th live yoga session. Let's start the session with the beautiful opening prayer. Om Sehna Vavatu Sehno Bhunaktu Sehviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So today we will learn some new asanas, and before that let's start with a wonderful warm up so that we are ready for doing all those asanas. So let's start with the leg. Move the leg in circular rotation. Bend your knee and rotate. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maintain the balance. Look at one place and change the leg now. So even if we look here, we will not keep our focus pointed on any one particular point. We will lose the balance. I am also doing the same. To balance on one leg, keep focus on any one point. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Let's rotate the waist now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Make full circular motion. Try to make that circle bigger and bigger. Let's rotate the neck joint circle. Breathe in and breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's do little bit stretching now. Let's do the side stretching. Breathe in, breathe out. Bend laterally. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Let's do Urdhva Tadasana stretching. Breathe in and stretch upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Breathe out and bring your hands down. Now, little forward and backward stretching. So, take your hands above your head, interlock the fingers, breathe in and breathe out, forward. Breathe in and breathe out, forward. Breathe in, breathe out, forward. Breathe in, breathe out, forward. Very good. And relax. Stretch your shoulders a little bit. Interlock both the wrists like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, take your right hand above your head, put it on the back of your neck, hold the elbow from the left hand and give a nice stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Similar way, left hand, hold from the right hand your left elbow and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So now our warm up, the joint rotation, Sukshma Vyayam and stretches are completed. Let's do a Surya Namaskar so that we are completely warm up, and after that we will go for the new asanas which we are going to do. So let's start. Let me adjust the camera angle a little bit. I hope the visibility will improve because of that. Let's start the Surya Namaskar now. And Mityadev Swami, if you are watching, you are welcome. So let's do the Surya Namaskar. Join both the hands. ध्येय सदा सवित्र मंडल मध्यवर्ती नारायणासनसिजासन सन्निविष्टा केयूरवान् मकर कुंडलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मय वपुर्धुत शंख चक्रः ओम मित्राय नमः. Breathe in 1, breathe out 2, breathe in 3, 4, 5, hold breath, 6, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So this is 12-step Surya Namaskar. Let's continue. We will do a bit faster. We will do the 12 set with all the mantras. Om Ravaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So I am not giving any explanation because we have already learned it so many times, and if any step is not clear in Surya Namaskara, you can watch the earlier videos where I have given the details of the Surya Namaskara. Om Bhanave Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Om Ushne Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Om Khagaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So 6 Surya Namaskar completed. Let's continue, but take few breaths to relax ourselves. Breathe in and breathe out few times. Take little small relaxation in between, and then let's join our hands once again. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, relax. Om Maricheya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Om Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Om Savitreya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So 10 Surya Namaskar done. We need to do 2 more. Om Arkaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. One last one with the remaining 2 mantras. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Let's chant the closing prayer. आदित्यस्य नमस्कारं ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयुर्प्रज्ञा बलं वीर्यं तेजस्येषां जायते. So wonderful. 12 Surya Namaskaras we did with mantra. Let's relax for few minutes, 1 minute, and then we will move towards the yogasana section. Okay. So let's clear out whatever sweats of hard work we have, and then lie down on your mat, relax yourself, take deep breaths, continue taking long and deep breaths, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Few more seconds. Continue relaxing yourself with each incoming breath and exhale all the tiredness. Wonderful. Now slowly sit on your mat once again. Let me clear out my specs. Very good. So now we will do some asanas. So we will start with the Setu Bandhasana, that is also called the bridge posture. So let's see how to do Setu Bandhasana. So we have to lie down on our mat and bring your heels closer to the buttocks. Place your palms on your mats facing down. Now what we have to do, we have to take a breathe in and we have to lift our waist like this and breathe out down. So we have to do with breathe in, maintain your balance first of all on the mat, and with the help of your palms, first breathe in and bring your waist up, then breathe out down. Make sure your knees are not moving outwards like this as you come up. Bring your knees in the same line and your big toe and knees should not be falling apart. Just your complete feet, your feet are firmly on the ground, and then let's do few times. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now what we will do it bit more slowly. So we will do 6 count, breathe in, 6 count, hold, and 6 count, breathe out. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch your waist completely up, maximum as much as possible, and then stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly relax. So in this way we should do it, slowly breathing in and then hold there till you are comfortable, and then exhale and come down. Now one more variation to this is, after we will inhale and we will come up, we can support here from our hands so that we can stay there for longer time. How to do that? Lift more and support from both of your hands so that you can stay here for longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you are perfectly balanced here, you can also lift your one leg completely straight and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place this leg down and lift the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly down. Remove your hands and relax for some time, keeping your legs straight. Just relax your toes. Wonderful. Relax for few seconds, then we will move to the next asana. Very good. So this is Ketubandhasana. This asana is very good for our spine related issues. It will give very strength, very good flexibility to your spine, and also we should do it always with the breathing. So breathe in and breathe out pattern is very much essential when we do these yogic practices. So next asana which we are going to do is, this is Pavan Muktasana. So Pavan Muktasana is also from the same posture. What we have to do? Again, we have to lie down and we need to bring both the knees closer, and then we have to hold our hands like this and breathe out. We need to bring both the knees and our forehead closer, and then relax. But for ease of practice, what we will do, we will start with the single leg first. So fold your single leg, then we will go with both the legs. So Ek Pada Pavan Muktasana first we will do. Take a breathe in, breathe out, touch your chin or forehead or nose to your knee. Hold here for some time. Continue normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And breathe out. Release your leg. Relax. Change the leg now. Interlock your fingers. Hold your knee. Breathe in. And while breathe out, bring your chin to the knee. Stay here for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. Go back. Relax completely. Now we will try with both the legs. So you will find a better stretch this time, and you will be able to bring your knees more closer to your chin. Let's join the fingers firmly, make a good grip, and then breathe out and bring your chin or forehead closer to the knees. Very good. I'll also try to show this from side angle so that you will get a better view. So you have to breathe like this. Then from here you have to breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Very good. This asana is very good asana for your all the abdomen related organs. It will also help in the acidity kind of issues where excess gas is forming. It will help to remove that excess gas formation and you will be immediately feeling the relief. So we can also do some nice Gatyatmak kriyas in this posture. So I will just demonstrate. So we will swing ourselves back and forth and sideways. So we will get a nice massage to your spine. But if you have any spine deformations or any severe pain in your back, then don't do it. Otherwise you can do it. So what to do? Just hold both the legs and lift your neck as well and swing yourself back and forth. Very good. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very relaxing. Yeah. Excellent. In the same way, now slowly stop and we can also do sideways. So sideways, how to do? Go side, right and left, and it will give massage to your whole back. Very good. You can go till here, then push from your elbow little bit, come the other side. Very good. Maintain the balance and don't fall one side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel like a kid. Relive your childhood memories once again when we used to do all this very naturally. But now again we are doing with the help of yoga practices. Wonderful. A nice massage to your back. Yeah, slowly relax. So we learned 2 new asana and their variations as well. Setu Bandhasana and Pavan Muktasana. Let's also learn the Shalabhasana now. So Shalabhasana, we have to these 2 asanas are supine asanas. They are lying down on the back. Now the Shalabhasana which we are going to try, that is we need to lie down on the stomach. Okay. So prone posture. So we will do Ekapada Shalabhasana first, means one leg. Keep your hands near your waist, palms facing up, and breathe in, lift your one leg. Breathe out, down. Then breathe in, lift your left leg as much as possible. Breathe out, down. Okay, so this we will do 10 times, both the sides. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Wonderful. Relax for some time now. You can relax in Makarasana. How to do Makarasana? Place your one palm on the other and just relax. Place your cheek on the palms, your toes falling outwards. Take few breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. After this, we will do Purna Shalabhasana, means from both the legs. Makarasana is the relaxing posture. It gives a nice sense of relaxation. Wonderful. Now, to do Purna Shalabhasana, what we have to do? Bring your both the fists. So first, thumb inside, make a fist from your hands like this. Okay, and then bring these fists under your thighs. Place them so that you can support your legs while you are trying to lift your legs. Okay, so let's place the fist firmly under the thighs, then breathe in and lift your legs. Stay there for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. So this is Shalabhasana. Let's do one more time. Breathe in slowly. Bring your legs up. Hold there and then down. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Wonderful. Now what we will do, along with the legs, along with both the legs, we will also lift our chest. So only the abdomen region will be on the mat and rest legs, and our chest will be up. Let's see how much time we can hold. We will try to hold at least 10 seconds. Okay? Breathe in, lift your chest and legs both and hold for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Slowly relax down. Wonderful. Let's do one more variation. So in this variation, what we will do, we have to do the same, lifting the legs together, but our hands will be like this. So it will be like a Vimanasana, the aeroplane posture. Lift your hand, lift your chest, lift your legs. You can wide open your legs for this asana. Feel like you are a Vimana or like a bird flying beautifully in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. One more variation is keeping your hands in front and then lift your hands and legs together. So let's bring the hands and legs together, and people call it Superman pose. So whenever you feel like you want to be a superhero, then you can do this wonderful posture. 1, 2, 3, lift more, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax in Makrasana. Very good. Toes falling apart. Very good. Just relax for a few more seconds. Wonderful. Let's sit on our mat. So we are going to end today's session here, and you don't forget to do the relaxation Shavasana after each practice. Never miss the Shavasana. So let's chant the beautiful closing prayer and end the today's session. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So have a wonderful day ahead. Stay healthy and stay calm, because now all the sides we see more negativity coming around. So be positive. Spend a good time every day with your family members, so that they are also stay positive. Make sure that all their needs and requirements are fulfilled, and spend more time in these yoga practices, so that you can you and your family all can be very strong and healthy. And tomorrow I am thinking to teach the chair yoga, because I have got some requests where people are requesting to teach some asana or yogic practices which we can do easily by sitting on chair, especially the elderly people, or who have issues in the spine and they cannot do standing asana and all, and knee issues. So for these people, chair yoga will be a very wonderful way of continuing their practices and improve their health. So keep joining me daily, and we will keep learning and we will keep sharing. Namaskar. Bye bye.